Welcome back to the Sexy Corner. I will be your host, Hot. And our second host is Christina! Get your butt in here! Get in here and be sexy! Yes! Today we're being... Honey, I think you got enough.
I just was like the rest of the ladies.
Amanda? What? So, I'm in the bathroom right now, and I just took a shit.
I'm still makeup. All around.
Sexy hair flip.
Wow.
We are being hot. Get over here and show them how hot you are. Come here. I don't need to. I smeared my makeup! She's got a makeup problem. Oh, look at that nice aftershave. Christina!
I'm still plucking my butt hairs.
Well, we know what everybody's doing this weekend.
I'm still plucking my butt hairs for Valentine's Day.
Howdy! It's Filthy Frank here. Today we're gonna be talking about dildos. Christina! Get over here and be
I just got done plucking my butt hairs. It's a no. Look at my sexy face. I have to shave.
my new tattoos?
Crap! I forgot about my unibrow.
Do you like my new tattoos? I got a butt. And I'm pretty sure this is a flower. I asked for a flower. This is a flower, right? Because, I asked for a flower. Maybe this is flea.
No, it's fine.
It is a flea.
Oh! Butt hair!
Oh my god! Natural grown hair right here and right here.
Oh.
Christina! I'm not done yet! Wait, still? Oh my god, that's all. You don't even look like a girl anymore. Girl. Yeah, boy.
Hey!
Boy.
Should I straighten my hair? And this is why.
And now, Japanese corner. Bullshitty Shetsu! Uh-oh. Watashi wa Shetsu! Oh, God! Ass hair! Mike Wazowski. Your paperwork is late.
I'm about to shave my pants.
Oh no, I smeared my mustache! Okay, the #1 award for ultimate sexiness goes to Christina.
Oh.
Look at that face. Who wouldn't love that face?
Not my boyfriend. Oh, my mustache. Oh my god, my mustache is coming in here.
I just shat. Shat intensifies! What if my parents just came home and they're just like, what are you guys doing? And why is there a flower on your face?
It's not a flower.
It's not.
Damn tomorrow. Who are you? Fucking damn Navarro, bitch.
Oh! I thought you were Christina. Christina, why you shave? No, don't shave!
I'm shaving my forehead hairs!
Forehead hairs. I'm shaving my dildo hairs. I'm hairy everywhere. Everywhere. It looks like I have a towel on my head, but this is how all the girls wear their hair. Girls, you don't wear your hair like this. You're a dildo.
I don't wear my hair like this.
He knows what's up.
I'm not a hate!
Christina left. She's chatting. Well, I think it's time to unmask this monster.
Oh god! Oh, do I want to play?
Anthony? Christina!
Now I'm ready for a night out.
Oh my god.
The girls.
Kids, don't do drugs. Because then things like Christina will be born.
I'm
my butt hair. Wait.
Oh. Came in like a wrecking ball. Wrecking! Oh my god, it feels so spacious.
Twerk.
Twerk it. Don't do drugs, kids. I just